Row 4, you are the third riser step, all the way across.
You're not used to moving while you sing. If you at least can just shift your weight from foot to foot, that's a great place that it starts.
All County is an aspirational goal for a lot of our Ignite Youth Choir students. Some have the opportunity to start in elementary school. They are doing just elementary programming for their choral literature, but when we get to middle school, we have the option to do soprano alto literature or tenor bass literature, which will be more challenging for those middle school singers. So coming now into All County, they get to express all of these things that they got to learn in IYC.
It helped me because I started Ignite before this, and I just feel more comfortable now that I was in Ignite.
It's helped with stage fright, and it's taught me how to act on stage. Being in All County, it gives me experiences and being around a bunch of people that I know and that I care about.
Come on, altos!
Having a college professor work with us has been really nice because she knows a lot of stuff and she can help us learn and grow.
They're very attentive. They're very about their details. They have wonderful, beautiful attitudes. I've seen them be such good humans today. And I know that that comes from a community of things. It comes from their families, it comes from their parents, and it also comes from the amazing music education that they're getting here in Pinellas County.
It's a fun thing to do, and I get to do it with a group of my friends, and we have fun together. And it's a good experience to be on the stage where all the big performers have been on.
Fallon loves singing and loves being involved with chorus, and Ignite has provided her an extra opportunity with very skilled and talented teachers to give her an edge in terms of more performing experience. And the more you perform on stage, the more comfortable you get, and I just feel like she has grown a lot by being given these opportunities, especially Ignite, to perform in different places as a group.
Ignite has given me more experience by giving me an extra day of practice and more technique from the coordinators and more chances to sing with other people in groups.
She's so excited to be part of All County. It's just such a privilege to be able to be included in that group. She's super excited. We're so proud of her. Love it. We love it.